Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah.
Seen, cycle. Cycle is again English word, so we use as it is in Urdu. Seen, cycle. In cycle, we have seen and alif. Then after alif, if we have e sound or ye sound, so we use hamza. Cycle. So this is kaf and this is lam. Cycle. So see it again. Seen, connector. Alif, non-connector. Ye is connector. Kaf is connector. And lam is connector. So seen, alif, cycle. So first of all, this is the initial position of seen. Then this is alif, it will assume the final position only. And after alif, e sound is there, so we'll use put hamza here. This is the way to write whenever we have choti ye after alif. So we'll write choti ye like this with hamza sound. So hamza make the e sound, sai. And then kaf and lam, we have already seen that when kaf, we will connect like in the previous case we have. In case of gadi, we have seen in gadi. So here we have kaf and lam will connect like this. Kaf and then this is lam. So we'll connect it like this. Kaf and lam. So cycle. So this is seen, alif sa. Then this ye, alif is appearing after, ye is appearing after alif. So this hamza will appear. And for ye we have, this is ye, sai, then kaf and lam, cycle. So we'll write cycle. Hamza, ye and kaf and lam, cycle. Sheen, share, line. Sheen, share. Share, sheen sound, choti ye and re. So sheen is connector, it will appear in the beginning. Choti ye is connector, it will take the middle position, and re is non-connector, it will appear in the final position. So we'll write shade like this. This she, sheen, ye and re. Swad, sanduk, box. Swad, sanduk. Sanduk, swad, noon, sun, dal, waw, du, sandu, actually it is dal, waw, pesh, du. Sandu, then kaf, sanduk. So here, swad is connector, noon is connector, dal is non-connector, waw is non-connector, and kaf is connector. So swad is connector, so swad will appear in the beginning, and noon will assume the middle position, and dal is non-connector, so it will come in the final position only, and then there will be a break. And waw is a non-connector, so it will assume the independent position, and we only kaf is left, so it will appear as independent. So we'll write sanduk like this. Sanduk. Zwad, zaif, old man. Zwad, zaif. Zaif, zwad sound. then an sound, then choti ye, and then fe. Za, za, then an za, and then e, zaif, zaif. So we'll write Zuad will assume the independent, the initial position because it is connector. An is also connector, so it will assume the middle position. So we have already learned that we'll write an in this shape like dal and then connector on both sides. Za, and then this is E sound, za E, and then fe will appear in the final position. So we write zaif like this. So, zaif. So zaif, za, then and za, and then choti, and then fe. We can also write it as za, if, mark. So zaif. Toy, tota, parrot. Toy, tota. We write like this. The breakup is, this is toy sound, then wow, then again toy, and then wow. Sorry, olive. So tota. Tota. So toy is connector, wow is non-connector, alif is non-connector. So if toy is connector, so toy will appear in the initial position, and then wow will assume only the final position, and we cannot connect anything after wow. So there is a break. To. Then again toy will take the initial position and alif will assume the final position. So there are two parts. To, ta. Zoe, zaruf. Vessels. Zoe, zaruf. Zaruf, Zoe, Re. Zar, Re, wow, Ru, and then Fe. Zaruf. So Fe is connector, wow is non-connector, Re is non-connector, and Zoe is connector. So Zoe will take the initial position. Then we have Re with connector. Re is non-connector, so it will not be connected with next letter. Wow will assume independent position because it is also non-connector. But Fe is connector, so it will assume the final position, and we have connector here. So we can write Zaruf like this. Zaruf. And Ainak, spectacles, and Anak. In Anak, we have an sound, and then choti, and then noon, and then kaf, Ainak, Ainak. An is connector, ye is connector, noon is connector, and kaf is connector. So we'll make it one group. This is initial position, then ye, middle position, then noon, another middle position, and then kaf, final position, like this. So we write anak like this, anak, and ye, noon, kaf, anak. Ghain, gubara, balloons. Ghain, gubara. In gubara we have ghain, then be, then alif, then re, and then he. Ghab, ghain be ghab, be alif ba, ghabba, re he ra, ghabbara, ghabbara. So ghain is connector, be is connector, and he is connector. So ghain will assume initial position, then we have be, it has connector on both sides. Then alif non-connector, so it will only assume final place and there will be a break. And re and then he. So gubara will write like this. This is when gubara. Fe fawara, fountain. Fe fawara, fawara. Fe wow alif fawara rehra. So fawara, fe is connector, so it can assume initial position. Wow is non-connector, so wow will appear only in the final position. Then alif non-connector, it will assume alif and re will assume independent position, and he will come in the end. So fawara. Kaf kenchi, pair of scissors. Kaf kenchi. Kaf is a connector. Kaf ye. Ke, ye is a connector. Noon is a connector. And che is a connector. Ken and ye is the connector. Choti ye is the connector. So all letters are connector. Kaf ye ke, noon, ye noon yan, ken, then che ye chi, kenchi, then ye, then noon, then che, middle position of che, and then final position of ye. So we write kenchi like this. Kaf ye noon che choti ye. Kenchi. Let me write it again on another paper. Kenchi. So this is che. This is che like this. Che and then choti ye. Kenchi. Kaf kitab, book. Kaf kitab. Kaf te, alif and be. So kaf and te, they are connectors. So this is the initial position of kaf, and then we have te, middle position of te, and then we have alif in the end, and then be, the final position. So kitab is written like this: kaf, te, alif, ta, and be, kitab. Actually this is kaf zer, key sound, kitab. Gaf, ghar, home. There's a difference between home and house. For house we use word makan, but for home we use word ghar. So since it is ghar, gaf, ghar, so the correct translation is home. Gaf, ghar, gaf. He, but here in ghar we use do chashmi he, so he with two eyes or do chashmi he's, gaf, he and re, ghar. So gaf is a connector, he is connector, re is non-connector. So gaf will assume the initial position here, and he in the middle position, and then re in the final position. So we'll write ghar like this: gaf, and then he, and then re. Lam, lathi, stick. Lam, lathi. In lathi we have lam and alif, we have te, then he, and then choti he. So lam will assume the initial position because lam is connector. So this is initial position. Then alif is non-connector, it will be on the final position and then there will be break. And then te, so te is written like this, but since there is a break, so te is assuming the initial position. So we can also write, we can use the te like this here, te, because only we need small part of te. And then he will appear in the middle, and then choti ye. So will you write lathi like this, lam alif la, te he choti ye, lathi. Meme more, peacock, meme more. In more we have meme, wow, and ray. So meme is the only connector here. So we write meme in the initial position and then connect it with wow. There is a break and ray will take independent position. Noon nalka, tap, noon nalka, nalka, noon, lam, kaf, alif, nalka. So noon is a connector, so noon will assume the initial position. Lam is a connector, so lam will assume the middle position. Kaf is also connector, so kaf will assume the middle position, but here there is a alif after kaf, so with kaf will appear like this, kaf and then alif. So we write like this, null, null, this is lam, null, then kaf alif ka, nalka. Wow, warak, paper, wow, warak, wow, ray and kaf. So wow is a non-connector, ray is non-connector, and kaf is connector. So it will be written as it is because we cannot connect ray with kaf because there will be a break after ray. So warak is written as it is. All three letters will appear independent. Hey, haath, hand. Hey, haath, haath. In haath we have he and alif and te. It is finished with heavy sound haath, th, haath. So he, both he's, they are connectors. Alif is non-connector, te is connector. So this he, when it appears in the first position, so it will take the position like this, and we have learned that there will be a hook, small hook like shape, it will appear underneath. So haath, he, and then alif. Alif is non-connector, so it will assume only the final position, and then there will be a break. Then in te, the initial position of te, we will write like this, and then he, the final position of he. So we will write haath as it is, he alif ha, te, and then he, haath. हे, दो चश्मी है और बड़ी है, हार, garland, हे, हार. Same is the case with har, but in har we have he alif and re. So only he is connector here, so we'll write he and then connect it with alif. Ha and then re independent. Har. Hamza, as we used in law, law, lam alif and hamza, law. Law is again an English word. Law, we need lam, alif, and it is not la, it is law. There is a jerk, law. So we bring hamza sound here. So law. So lam, it will assume the initial position, and alif, lam alif la, and then hamza sound, lam alif la, lam alif la, law. Ye university. University is English word. In Urdu we can use the word jamia also, but here since we are using the word university, so there is no harm. The Urdu language accept word university. So ye university. So ye, wow, you, then noon, then again ye, uni, ver, wow re ver, univer, city, sin te sit, and then te ye ti. Ye wow you, noon ye ni, uni, wow re ver, univer, sin te sit, universit, te ye ti, university, university. So ye is a connector, so it will assume the initial position. Wow is non-connector, so it will appear only in the final position. So there is a break. This is one group. The noon is a connector, so it will assume the initial position. And ye is connector, so it will assume the middle position. And wow is again non-connector, so it will create another break, and it will appear in the end. Neve. The re is also non-connector, so it will assume independent position. Univer. Seen is connector, so seen will take the initial position. Te is connector, so te will take the middle position. And ye is connector, so it will take the final position with the connector here. So when we will combine these three groups, so we write university like this: univer, university. Now another sound with ye, yadgar, monument, yadgar. Ye, alif, ya, dal, sakin, yad, then gaf, alif, ga, re, sakin, re independent. So yadgar. So ye will assume the initial position, then alif, ya, this is one group. Then dal is non-connector, it will appear as independent letter, yad, and then gaf alif ga. So we will use this shape, ga and then re. So when we will combine them, it will be written like this: yad gar. That's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.